So good morning everyone. My name is Nikhil Vinayak Gawande. On today's lecture, we continue our poem, which is on page number 31 in Unit 3. It is called Trains. So in previous lecture, we uh, take some information related to this poem, that how one train passes from different types of terrains, different kinds of uh, lands, rivers. She cross mountain, plains, rivers, and other day, she travels day and night. In this way, we see the different types of things that she passed through. Over the mountain, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. So on the different types of way, on the way she meets the different types of things that one she passes through. So in this way, we complete this poem with the help of some word that I have given to you, or and the on the bottom side there are some important words which is very important in nature. So let's begin to the next next poem, which is called The Little Bulbul Tree. So okay, before that we will continue, or we will take the uh, exercise number 2, which is on the page number 31, which is again very important. So here the question activity is find and label the following in the picture: and mountain, plain, river, river bank, and bridge. So many of you know that what is meaning of river bank. So I am write it down here. The meaning of river bank is a place, or a, like this. Let's suppose this is a river flowing in this direction. So the place or land near this edge, or yakinara, or this edge, and this land is called as river bank. That land near the edge of river, this is called a river bank. So this is a very simple exercise, that you have to write it down or label the picture like this. If this is a train, you would name this as a train. This is a river, this is a river bank land, this is mountain, and this is a plain. So in this way, we it is very simple, very easy exercise that you can carry out. So on the page number 32, there is again called a poem that is called A Little Bulbul Tree. Babul tree, sorry. A babul. In Marathi we called as a babul tree. So this tree this so let's begin to our poem. In a grove of mango tree, there was one little babul tree. So okay. So we see that on the farmland, or on the other types of, or other, let's suppose that there is a farmland, or one farmer who take a production of mango, that he has lot of mango tree. So on this mango tree there is a called unwanted type of tree, that this farmer or this person don't want to be in that position, but still this tree grow again on this, on anywhere. You see this babul tree is everywhere. So this written is there: in a grove of mango trees there was one little babul tree. So let's take a important word which is highlighted in the yellow color. So let's I'm write it down here. Important synonyms which can be asked in your examination also. So what is the meaning of groove? Is groove. It is it is also mentioned here that meaning of this important word, which is called a little forest. A grove is called a little forest. That basically it is not very big in size. Its area is limited, which is called as a grove. The little tree was pretty, but it was not happy. One day it said, and one this little bubble tree was in the on the appearance it looks very pretty, but it's not happy that it should. Then this tree said, the bubble tree said, I wish I had a big leaves. All the other trees have big leaves. So what a bubble tree says, that every other plants which give fruits or other different types of plants, they have a very big leaf or a leaf. Leaf means pan. But this bubble tree, it has a very small, it has leaves, but it has very small in size leaves. So my thorns are sharp and stiff. Children do not like me. So basically, on this bubble tree, there is called as a throne. What is the meaning of throne is kate. So we see this tree a lot of time in our area, in our beside our home or anywhere. No one go near this plant because it has a thorn which can stick into a or which can cut our skin. So that's why children or adult also don't go near this plant. They chopped it off from place. My thorns are sharp and stiff. Sharp means a very that this type shape, a tokdar, and stiff. Stiff means very strong or kadak त्या प्रकारचं. Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had big leaves. It was just like the mango trees. But on the next day, when this little tree wakes up from the sleep, that it appears that it has big leaves like a mango tree. Because earlier, this bubble tree has a very small, uh, very small in size leaves. Now I am happy, it said. Then what Bubble Tree said? It said, and now I am happy because I have big leaves like a mango tree. But goat came along and ate up all his big leaves. That we see a um, goat always eat this bubble tree. Although it has small or big leaves, it ate because the main food of the goat is leaves. We see a lot of time that one man carries all these goat and they search for bubble tree, and um, this goat eat all these leaves although it has a thorn, but still goat can manage to eat all leaves. So what happened? Goat came and all ate up all the big leaves. Oh dear, said the little tree. I wish I had golden leaves, gold leaves. Gold, do not eat gold leaves. Now again, this little little bubble tree dream of that all my trees, all of my leaves should be in golden gold in nature. That's why because goat come and eat all these leaves. But if she had or if Babu tree has a golden leaves, so goat cannot be eat it or ate it. So again this tree wished, and next day when the little tree woke up, it had golden leaves. Again this his tree's wish came true. Now I am happy, it said. Again she said, again this tree said that now I am happy because earlier I had big leaves which can be ate up by a goat, but now I have a golden leaves that that's but goat cannot eat it. So, but a thieves came along and stole all the gold leaves. That's the human nature, that if we had a one thing, we always dream of or always wish to have one step further. Always what we have, we want more and more. So again problems came, and a thief. Thief means a person who stole. In Marathi, chor, chor, and stole all the gold leaves. Again important word came up, that is stole. Stole means चोरी करने. To to get something from other without asking, or in Marathi simple it's called as chori. So again second problems came up, and earlier goat came up and ate all the leaves. Next time these thieves came up and stole all these leaves. Oh dear, said the bowl tree. Again she said, oh dear, I wish I had a glass leaves. Again this tree wish uh, that now this time I wish I had a glass leaves. Thieves do not steal glass leaves. So this is the human nature, that always new things, always we want a different things what we have. We do not satisfy on our thing. So again this tree asks for God that I wish I had a glass leaves. That my leaves should be made up of glass, and thieves cannot steal glass leaves, because what we will do, uh, glass is very cheap in nature. It does not have a cost as much as golden leaves have or has. Next day, when the little tree woke up, it had a glass leaves. Again, this his wish came true, and next day, when this tree came wake up, it sees that all its leaves are in glass in nature. They are not in organic in nature, because but they are in made up of glass. So how happy I am. Again, this is the third time this tree said that how happy I am. Means I am very happy. See my leaves shine in the sun. That in the sun, glass shine. We all know that. But a strong wind sprang up. Whoa, said the wind. When wind or vara, when wind travel with a greater speed, it makes some noise, which is called as WOO. Woo. It makes some noise. So that is called as wind noise. Again, this important word come is, that is sprang up. अचानकपणे वाहू लागला. A sudden quick movement, sudden traveling, sprang up. sudden flows of the wind sprang up. My leaves shine in the sun, but strong wind sprang up. That strong wind traveled uh, suddenly. Woo said the wind, and it broke all the leaves. When wind came with a greater speed, all these leaves uh, uh, broke down. So we all know that glass is very fragile or not as strong as any other metal or any other thing. It can break very easily, and it broke all the glass leaves. Oh dear, said the bubble tree. I wish I had my thorns and small leaves again. So now again this bubble tree, but this time this tree asks a genuine what he had earlier. He asks only for that because a nature or God create a nature create particular thing with a with uh, with a greater or with a accurate in nature, that if human are made up of this thing, because this is all about our evolution. We evolved in this way. Earlier we had tails, now we don't have. So in this way, in the life process, life evolves through different times, in different era. So in this way, we what we have, it's 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 sufficient. That this poem says that. But this time this tree asks a genuine uh, wish that it had what he had earlier. I want this also. This the wind will no harm. Sorry. I wish I had my thrones, my kate and small leaves again. Goats do not eat all them off. Thieves do not steal them. The wind will do them no harm. Then wind went to sleep. So why this tree asked for what he has earlier? Because in earlier that when he asked for a big leaves, what happens that goat came and ate all his leaves. Next time it asked for a golden leaves. Then what's happened? In consequence, that thieves came and stole all these leaves. And third time, when this tree asked for in the prevention of stealing, that it leaves should be in glass in nature. So at that time, uh, wind sprang up, अचानक मोठ्या हवेचा झोका येतो आणि and all its leaves broke down or break it. So from all this circle or all this consequence, it tree faced off. It realized that what we have earlier is sufficient in nature, and nature gives us what we require. Next day, when it woke up, it had all its thorns, small green leaves again. Oh, I never was so happy, said the little bamboo tree. So this time, when he asked for anything, his wish come true. And so at this at the at last time, when he asked for their old specification like thorns and small leaves, nature give his all his features. So this time, when he woke up, he realized that what we have is very precious in nature, or which is very important. We should appreciate it and celebrate our life. And tree said that I was never so happy. That means I am very happy in present situation, said the bubble tree. So on this poem, we can say that discuss or very important thing that we can learn from this poem is what we today have or what we have is very is we should be in satisfactory position or in the state of mind. We should be in satisfaction because when we always think of we want this, wish, all these processes when come, our happiness is very limited to that situation. When we think of one thing and wish for one thing and it came true, but when suddenly something happen, it bothers us or it hurts us our feeling. So in this way we can say that what we today have we should be in satisfaction, and this does not mean that we should never wish of anything, but we should not depend on that wish it came true or do not came true. So in this way we completed this poem. It is a basic revision class that we take it, that is the little babul tree. So this is very easy to understand and very simple poem. So that's all for today's lecture. This is your homework. You should learn this all important things that grows, that means little forest, stone, chori karne, sprang up, sudden flows, and other important uh, words or synonyms are rated here on page number 33 on bottom side. And you should again next homework is you read all again this poem by yourself. In this way your English will improve, your words collection will improve, your pronunciation will be improve. So this is all this for today's lecture. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day. Thank you.